Hey, stop right there. Put your phone down, take a deep breath, close your eyes. Now ask yourself one question, not just with your mind, but with your soul. Am I truly alive, or am I just surviving? We all want the good life: travel, freedom, love, success, peace, confidence, purpose. But here's the real question: what are you doing today to get there? Still scrolling? Still delaying? Still hoping magic will happen? Let me wake you up. Because this life, your life, is not a rehearsal. You don't get a second round, you don't get a second you. So today, we're not just here to learn English, we're here to shake your soul, to push you into change, to finally live the life that is waiting for you. So listen carefully, not just with your ears, but with your heart, because your time starts right now. Lesson 1: Time is your life. Don't kill it. You think you're killing time, but time is quietly killing you. Every scroll, every snooze, every excuse. It's not just a moment lost, it's life lost. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow is a lie. Today is all you have. So what will you do with it? Value every hour like it's made of gold. Make a plan. Cut distractions. Build your future. Time is your friend, but only if you respect it. Otherwise, it becomes your enemy. Lesson 2: Stop blaming, start building. Your life is yours, not your parents', not your boss, not your friends'. Excuses are heavy chains. Break them. You didn't get support? Build alone. You didn't get lucky? Create your own luck. You have power. Use it. Write down every excuse, then burn that list. Now write one small step you can take today, and do it. Lesson 3: Your comfort zone is a silent killer. It feels warm, safe, familiar, but it's stealing your future quietly. You want growth? Get uncomfortable. Speak English, even with mistakes. Start that idea, even if it fails. Let people laugh. You keep moving, because nothing blooms in comfort. Lesson 4: I'll do it later is a sweet lie. Later becomes never. Waiting is a trap. You want to change? Then act. Now, not when you're ready, not next Monday. This second. Set a 10-minute timer. Start anything. Speak, write, move. Because one action now is better than a perfect plan never done. Lesson 5: Stop thinking. Start doing. Your mind is a maze. Your hands are the map. Don't drown in thoughts, swim with action. Want to speak English? Then speak. Want to build something? Start building. Don't wait for permission. You don't need it. Jump into the water. That's how you learn to swim. Lesson 6: Be that guy. Not the one who always quits. Be the one who keeps going when others sleep. The one who believes when others doubt. Who works when others waste time. Who becomes the one that people remember. Ask yourself, what would the best version of me do today? Then do that. Lesson 7: You versus you. The fight is not with the world. It's with the part of you that wants to quit. The lazy you versus the disciplined you. The scared you versus the brave you. The weak you versus the powerful you. Who will win today? Feed the strong one. Track your wins. Celebrate them. This is the real battle. And you were born to win it. Lesson 8: Train your willpower. Feelings are liars. Discipline is truth. You don't feel like it. Do it anyway. You feel tired. Do it tired. You feel scared. Do it scared. Willpower is a muscle. Train it every day. Choose one hard thing and do it. Daily. Each win builds strength. Each act rewrites your identity. Lesson 9: Comparison is poison. They post their highlights. You live your battles. Don't compare your behind the scenes with someone's best moments. You have your own path, your own time. Learn from others, but run your race. Unfollow what makes you feel small. Focus on your growth, not their numbers. Lesson 10: Don't take advice from the wrong people. Everyone talks, but not everyone has walked the path. Take advice only from those who've done it. Not your uncle who's never started a business. Not your friend who's afraid to speak English. Thank them. Then move on. Protect your vision like gold. Lesson 11: Pick yourself. No one's coming, no one's choosing you. So choose yourself. Start now. Without applause, without permission. The greats didn't wait to be discovered. They discovered themselves. Write your name on your dream. Own it. Say this daily: I don't need to be picked. I pick myself. Lesson 12: No risk, no story. Fear is loud, but regret is louder. You want a life worth talking about? Take a risk. Speak when it's scary. Start when you're unsure. Dare when others doubt. That's where legends are born. Lesson 13. The clock doesn't care. Time doesn't wait for your motivation. It moves. Silently, ruthlessly. One day, you'll blink and 10 years will be gone. So stop delaying. Stand up. Say this. My time is now. Lesson 14. Nobody cares. And that's your power. No one's coming to save you. But that's freedom. Cry if you must. Then rise. Fall. Then rise again. Because you are the one you've been waiting for. This is your movie. Direct it. Lesson 15. Why not now? Next week? Next year? Number. Why not now? What's stopping you? Fear? Doubt? Perfection? Let them go. Take one small action now. That's your spark. Lesson 16. Hate your life? Recreate it. You're not a tree. You can move. You can rebuild. Reinvent. Don't like your job? Change it. Don't like your habits? Replace them. Life is your canvas. Start painting. Lesson 17. Expectations are chains. Your family, society, friends, they expect. But it's your life. Don't live for applause and die inside. Say no. Disappoint others, if that means being true to yourself. You're not born to fit in. You're born to break through. Lesson 18. Your pain is your power. Behind that smile, you've survived storms. That pain, don't hide it. Use it. Turn it into drive, into purpose. The strongest people carry scars, not shame. Let pain make you powerful. Lesson 19. Starve distractions, feed focus. Distractions steal dreams silently. Every scroll feeds the wrong wolf. Every hour wasted is a step backward. Want a new life? Focus. Turn off your phone. Say no to nonsense. Focus for 1 year. And your life will never look the same. Lesson 20. Life owes you nothing. It rewards effort, not potential. So fight for everything. Show up. Work hard. Stay hungry. You want the crown? Then bleed for it. And if right now you feel lost, tired, broken, listen. You are not finished. You are not weak. You are just getting started. You have more inside you than you can imagine. So pick up your heart, stand tall, wipe your tears, and move. Because your dream is waiting, and it's time to go get it. Thanks for watching. Take action, not tomorrow. Today. Stay strong. See you in the next one.